The vast, arid landscape of Central Asia holds a profound mystery that has puzzled archaeologists for decades. Spanning across Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan and Turkmenistan region, stretching over 200,000 square kilometers of sandy and rocky terrain. Despite its remoteness and extreme weather conditions, this area holds remnants of an ancient civilization, which continue to challenge modern understanding. It's hard to imagine that a region so inhospitable to life could have been home to ancient people who left behind enigmatic stone structures. These are the mysterious desert kites. The Istarat Plateau is not just a barren wasteland. It bears the scars of a time long past. With temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Celsius in winter to scorching 40 degrees Celsius in summer, survival here is not for the faint-hearted. The few semi-nomadic tribes that still inhabit this harsh landscape live in small, scattered communities, struggling to survive against the extremes of nature. Yet, as you gaze at the rocky peaks that dot the plains, standing tall like the walls of a forgotten fortress, it's impossible not to wonder, who built these structures and why? What drove them to leave such a mysterious legacy in such a desolate place? One intriguing possibility is that this dry, rocky plain was once part of the ancient Tethys Sea, a vast body of water that existed millions of years ago, long before the land became the desert we know today. Evidence of marine life, such as petrified shark teeth, suggests that the area was once teeming with sea creatures. Over time, the sea dried up, and what remains is a landscape so alien and inhospitable that it seems almost unbelievable to think that it was once home to thriving ecosystems. The remnants of this ancient sea and the shifting landscapes provide a glimpse into the distant past and raise more questions than answers. Among the most puzzling features of this region are the desert kites, large arrow-shaped stone formations that can be seen from the air. These strange patterns, which were first spotted by pilots in 1920, consist of long, straight lines of stones that lead to a circular pit. The structures resemble a giant kite from above, hence the name. These formations, scattered throughout the Istarat Plateau, have been a focus of intense study by archaeologists for over 35 years. While the purpose of these kites remains a subject of debate, the prevailing theory suggests that they were used as hunting traps for large animals. The theory is that ancient nomads designed these kites to herd and trap animals, such as deer, which passed through the area during their seasonal migrations. Interestingly, these kites are not unique to Central Asia. Similar formations have been discovered in other regions, including Saudi Arabia, Yemen, and Armenia, with over 5,800 examples recorded worldwide. The scale and precision of these structures suggest a highly organized society with sophisticated knowledge of both animal behavior and the harsh desert environment. The age of these formations has been estimated to be at least 2,000 years old, with some of them remaining functional until as recently as the 20th century. Radiocarbon dating and archaeological excavations have revealed that these kites may have been used for hundreds, if not thousands of years. The desert kites represent a unique aspect of the relationship between early human societies and their environment. They highlight the ingenuity required to survive in such a hostile landscape, and they speak to the cultural significance of hunting and trade in this ancient world. Over the centuries, this region has been home to various civilizations, each leaving its mark on the landscape. From the Bronze Age hunter-gatherers to the Persian Empire and the Mongol rulers of the Middle Ages, the Istarat Plateau has witnessed the rise and fall of powerful empires. The once thriving trade in skins, meat, and other resources from the region played a crucial role in the economies of these civilizations, linking Central Asia with Europe and beyond. However, as the area became more desolate over time, the power centers that once flourished here began to decline, leaving behind only remnants of their former glory. Today, the Istarat Plateau is largely uninhabited, but it remains a site of immense archaeological and ecological significance. To visit this ancient land, one must travel to Kazakhstan, where the Mangistau Nature Reserve has been established to protect the region's unique biodiversity and historical sites. The reserve, established in 1984, covers an area 1.5 times the size of London and is home to over 300 species of birds, as well as rare animals like the Iranian leopard. Preserve scientists and experts to expand the nature reserve into Uzbekistan and Turkmenistan could lead to the area being recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Such a designation would help secure funding for further research and conservation efforts, ensuring that the secrets of this mysterious region are not lost to time. In the end, the desert kites of Central Asia remain a fascinating and enigmatic chapter in the history of human civilization. They offer a glimpse into a world that existed long before the modern era, a world where people adapted to one of the harshest environments on Earth, using knowledge and ingenuity to survive. As research continues and more discoveries are made, perhaps we will one day unravel the full mystery of these ancient stone structures, and in doing so, gain a deeper understanding of the cultures that shaped the world long ago. Found this video interesting? Drop a like, smash that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell to keep learning with us. See you in our next adventure.